While we all get hyped and while we all get excited, it's important that we remember we are thankful in honor of any woman who has ever battled breast cancer, the family members of anyone who's battled breast cancer, and the loved ones. We just want to show any woman who has ever battled breast cancer that we are there for them. Is that why we're here today? Is that why we're here? Look. So, I'll make it short and sweet. My name is LeVar Jacob. I'm the founder of Not Just October. What is Not Just October? Not Just October is a nonprofit organization devoted to breast cancer awareness, aid, research, and education all year, and not just during the month of October. Women are battling breast cancer every single moment. It's not a thing that stops after October. Right this second, while we're all sitting here, there's a woman probably at the doctor getting chemotherapy, radiation. They might be at home nursing their wounds. They might be sitting there looking in the mirror and sad that their hair fell out due to chemotherapy and radiation. And that is why I do what I do. When my mom passed away from breast cancer in 2009, in 2014, I started this organization, and it's been my everything and my every waking thought every day since then. You can ask my perfect life. Perfect, so perfect. But I appreciate you all taking the time out because these are my kids and they love them daddy. But I appreciate you all taking the time out to come and support this organization and to support the vision and support women who are battling. Because you never know what just taking this moment out can do for a person. You never know what type of stress anyone is dealing with. So at the end of the day, be kind, be happy. Make sure these women feel heard, they feel seen. It's important that every single day you treat people how you want to be treated. These kids are crazy.
They're yours.
Oh, I love it. Make sure that women who are battling don't have to worry about getting their grass cut, their snow removed, or anything like that. We're supplying wigs, food, all types of things. Not just in Ohio, we're in Atlanta too. I'm about to announce a partnership with one of the hospitals out there very soon. And we're just trying to change the world. We've had events so far this year in California, Akron, Atlanta, and we have one in Houston. So the message is spreading and the goal is so large, we're gonna make sure that we do everything that we set out to do. My parents, they raised me real well. So I owe it to my mom and my dad to make sure that I keep my mom's legacy ongoing forever. She was only 49 when she passed away. So she's living through me though. And she's living through all of you. And we're all in this together. Women who are battling, I want you to know that we are in this together. It's not just about wearing these pink shirts in October. It's about standing for these women all year, 365 days a year, and not just October. When I say not just, I need you guys to say October as loud as you possibly can. I'm gonna do it right now. Not just October! Let's do it again. Not just
you know what to do. I-double-O is always on the move. Start with that. The best around with the move. Come on, let's stretch.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Look at, yeah, well, look at the camera. You a lion, look at her, man. I know.
John, that's my best friend April from fourth grade. John.
I can't wear them.
When? What time? I gotta be here.
Hey!
I'm dancing on the dancer walk today. That's how you do the pencil walk. Don't fool with her. Hi, Chill.
So if you guys haven't caught on yet, today is a breast cancer walk hosted by Not Just October. Yeah, it's quite a few people. We just walking downtown Akron.
So today we're out here, Akron, Ohio, for the Kim Jacobs Breast Cancer Walk 2024. We flooding downtown Akron in pink, just trying to have a good time and show women who are battling breast cancer that they matter all year, not just during the month of October, trying to make a difference. And look, we about to do it. Big. Appreciate you.
Go ahead. That 3D paint, the further you away, the better it look. The thing is hot. You see it? Yeah, I see it. That was nice, wasn't it?